Arigania abambassador abayakuro chinse Isiko asenyumba y'oburaya State House y'omucho Nairobi.
Ekati y'echinse kire kyatuma abambassador ngamona Algeria, Mexico, Slovenia, Hungary, Ukraine amone chinde asibalira kubwatirana n'ensi ya Kenya ili wikirania obukoleri ao.
He was born in
Excellency, Mr. President, it's a great honor for me to present my credentials to you as the Ambassador of Ukraine. I bring to you the greetings of a nation that for almost 4 years has been resisting a full-scale invasion, a full-scale war. Our cities suffer missile attacks. Families are torn apart. Children forced to hide in shelters. Yet Ukraine stands. And we stand not only for our homes, but for our freedom, for dignity, for the rule of law. This war is not only about Ukraine. It's a test of the entire global order, a test whether the world will allow empires to rise again.
I would also like to relay to you his wish to reaffirm Hungary's commitment to strengthening the ties between our two countries and to seek new areas to deepen our cooperation, both in the bilateral and multilateral arenas. Hungary regards Kenya as a key partner in Africa. In the past 10 years, relations between our countries have grown into a strong and dynamic partnership based on mutual respect and shared aspirations. We have laid strong foundations for cooperation in the political field, education, agriculture, and trade. Bilateral interactions on the highest levels have become regular and constructive since 2016, including the milestone visit of former President János Áder to Kenya in 2022.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible sense, within the law, the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations.